Hey, are you using Gmail on your phone and you're wondering how you can, instead of archiving the emails that you don't want, you actually want to trash them or delete them, but you can't find the settings? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you where those settings are. I'll also show you where those archive emails end up if that's the way you want to keep doing it. Here we go. Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I'm a photographer down in Southern California. I do a lot of technology and some photo tips, if you want to call it that. Hey, so you're using Gmail on your phone, and when you go to get rid of an email that you don't want, it archives it instead of deletes it or trashes it. You want to trash it? I'm going to show you where those settings are. And for those of you that want to continue to use the archive, I'm going to show you where those emails end up so that if you want to look at them and then delete them, you can. I'm going to show you where the settings are in case you just want to swipe and delete and be done with it and not have to go through the extra steps of archiving and then deleting if you don't want it. Okay, so let's hop on the phone. I'm going to show you where those settings are right now. So the first thing I want you to do is click on Settings, which should be on your phone. Go ahead and scroll down. Now I would have thought it would have been in General, but it's not. It's actually down under Mail. Click on Mail. Now click on Accounts. Then what you'll see is Gmail. Go ahead and click on Gmail and then click on Account again. And then you'll see Advanced. Go ahead and click on Advanced, and there we go. Archived mailbox or deleted mailbox. Once you check this, be sure that you go ahead back up to Account there at the top left and then click Done once you're in Account. That will save it for you. If you don't do that, it will reset itself and go back to the archived email. So make sure that you go up to the top left hand corner and you click on Account and then go ahead and click Done. Now when you swipe, what you'll see is it goes to trash instead of goes to archive. Now I promised you at the end of this video to tell you where those archived emails are going. If you open your Mail app, what you'll see is a list of the accounts that you have at the top. Scroll down to Gmail. Now open that and scroll down to All Mail. Your archives are in this All Mail folder. So when you swipe to the left and you swipe all the way and it archives it, it's going to be in this All Mail folder. By the way, for those of you who haven't been using your phones very long, or maybe you just don't know this trick about the iPhone Mail app, you can swipe all the way to the left in one continuous motion and it will actually just trash it or archive it without you having to go halfway and then push trash or archive. Funny little things like that that not everybody knows, but hopefully you got something out of it. Hey, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of content, and the bell notification will give you a notification when I have new content out. Please either archive or trash, and hopefully if you need to trash your emails, this video helps you. In the meantime, and until I see you on the next video, keep it simple, my friend. It's amazing how hot it gets when you close all the windows. You have to close the windows so that all the noise from the outside doesn't come in. And since I have a dog park literally outside of my window, gotta close the window. That's all I hear all day. All right, we're done. Out.